So, what do you pack in a hospital bag? Well, I am working on packing mine, and so I thought I would share with you the things that I'm putting in it. There are just a few things that are missing because either they're in the laundry or I'm not quite ready to pack them yet because I plan to use them between now and whenever I go into labor. But we will start with things for baby. So, I have a swaddle blanket, one outfit, and then like a cute take home outfit with a hat and socks and mittens because it's cold. It's January in Minnesota. And then for myself, I bought a labor and delivery gown from Kindred Bravely because it's soft and just a lot nicer than what I expect the hospital will have. And I thought I would be a lot more comfortable in it. I have at least one nursing bra that I'm going to take. I'm wearing bras that are nursing friendly, so that means I will have at least two of them there with me. By default, I have a sports bra for laboring in the birthing tub. You just want to check what your hospital has available for things like that. Some comfy clothes, so a jogger, t-shirt, sweatshirt, high-waisted postpartum undies, some disposable underwear too, since I'm not really sure what I'm gonna be wanting, a robe that I can wear around while I'm laboring, after labor, just for easy feeding access and for just comfort with layers. You never know if you're gonna be hot or cold. I'm bringing my own towel because I've heard that hospital towels are scratchy and uncomfortable, and that just doesn't sound like fun after you've been through something like labor. Some warm fuzzy socks because my feet are usually really cold. I'm going to pack slippers. I just haven't yet. Some nursing pads. I have reusable ones and some disposable ones because I'm not sure what I'm going to want. I have sandals for showering. I have a bunch of kind of like health care kinds of things and personal care kinds of things. Some personal wipes, some that are designed more for your face and some that are more for your body. A Perry bottle because I've heard this mom washer one from Frida Baby is a lot better than the ones that they give you at the hospital. So I just wanted to have that available to me. And then I have like a washcloth for my face. Again, just something that's gentler than what the hospital has available. Magnesium spray for any cramping. It helped earlier in my pregnancy with calf cramping overnight, and I've just heard that it's really helpful to have magnesium during labor, and I've really liked this spray from Pink Stork. This After Ease supplement, the Earth Mama Herbal Perineal Spray, and the Perineal Balm to be kind to my body after labor. Some nipple cream, deodorant, lip balm, baby nail clippers, and a file because I've heard that hospitals generally don't provide those things for liability reasons. So I wanted to have them available in case we need them right away. And then I mixed up some personal essential oil diffusers so that I don't have to diffuse oil through an entire room and make it really strong, but I can pick what I want kind of in any given moment. So I'm bringing those with me. I'm bringing some organic cotton pads because I'm not sure what kinds the hospital will have, and I'm kind of picky about what I use. I would prefer to have products that are really kind and gentle to my body after it has been through labor. And let's see, I'm bringing a bunch of snacks. We'll see how much fits in my bag. I have some dried fruit, some nuts. This is one of my favorites. And then I like pumpkin seeds too. Those are just all from Aldi. I have a bunch of liquid IV packs so that I can not only stay hydrated, but also keep up my electrolytes when I'm getting really tired during labor. Some honey sticks for quick energy, some fruit leather for the same reason, and a variety of snack bars that have protein just for a quick little boost if I get tired, you know, part of the way through, like I probably will. And I'm packing some coconut water to stay hydrated too. I know that's really important. I'll have regular water, but it's kind of nice to have a couple options. And I've heard that coconut water specifically has nutrients and things that are beneficial during labor. I have a personal fan just in case I get really, really warm. I don't know what the setup in the room is like in terms of a fan. So I thought I'd bring a little mini one that doesn't take up a whole lot of space at all, really. And then I have my pregnancy and birth affirmation cards to remind me that I can do this, that my body was designed to do this, and just kind of keep me in a positive mindset. And I have my birth plan that I also adapted from Mama Natural. So I think that's pretty much it. I'll have my regular bag that has my like shampoo and conditioner and toothpaste and toothbrush and skincare products and everything like that. Basically the same things that I would take if I was traveling anywhere, just so that I have my own products and I don't have to worry about whether, you know, my skin is going to freak out from a different kind of soap or something. But yeah, that's what I'm putting in my bag. I would love to hear if you think I'm missing anything or if you want to share what you put in your bag. I would love to hear it. So feel free to leave a comment.